Did you know that Morant Bay, a quaint town in Jamaica, was once considered the world's most rebellious sugarcane? Now that's some sweet defiance. Nestled in the southeastern corner of the island, Morant Bay serves as the capital of St. Thomas Parish. With a population ticking just over 94,000, it's a bustling hub of history and culture that's simply overflowing with stories. Once upon a time, its verdant fields were brimming with sugarcane plantations, producing sweetness with a side of rebellion. But don't let its sugary past fool you. This town has more to offer than a spoonful of sugar. From being the birthplace of Miss World 2019, Toni-Ann Singh, to its poignant World War I memorial garden, Morant Bay is a testament to Jamaican resilience and beauty. So buckle up, we're about to dive into a history as rich and layered as a Jamaican rum cake. If you think your sweet tooth is rebellious, wait till you hear about Morant Bay's sugarcane plantations. Sugarcane, the sweet tall grass that's as much a part of Jamaica's history as reggae music and jerk chicken. Now let's travel back in time to the 18th century. Morant Bay, a bustling port town, was draped in fields of sugarcane. It was the lifeblood of the town's economy, a sweet yet demanding taskmaster that shaped the community's social fabric. In those days, sugar wasn't just a sweet treat, it was a symbol of affluence, a luxury reserved for the upper crust of society. And Morant Bay, with its fertile land and ideal climate, was a heavyweight in the sugarcane industry. The town's sugarcane plantations weren't just fields of tall grass. They were the town's pride and joy, the heart of their economy, and a testament to their hard work and determination. But sugarcane wasn't just about economic prosperity. It was also a symbol of resilience and rebellion. It was the backdrop to the lives of the hard-working people of Morant Bay. Their sweat and toil seeped into the soil, nourishing the sugarcane that grew tall and strong, just like them. The sugarcane fields were a hive of activity, with workers toiling under the hot sun, cutting and bundling the cane. Their laughter and songs would fill the air, a symphony of resilience and camaraderie. The sugarcane, once harvested, was crushed and boiled in large vats to extract the sweet, precious juice. This juice was then crystallized into sugar, the sweet gold that was Morant Bay's claim to fame. But the sugarcane fields weren't just about hard work. They were also a place of community and camaraderie. The workers would share stories and jokes, their laughter echoing through the fields. The sugarcane fields were a testament to their spirit, their resilience, and their unbreakable bond. So, the sugarcane fields of Morant Bay weren't just fields. They were a symbol of the town's spirit, its resilience, and its determination. They were a testament to the hard work and the unbreakable bond of the people of Morant Bay. So, the next time you add a sugar cube to your tea, remember, it could have been a tiny rebel from Morant Bay. Now let's spice things up with the only major revolt in Jamaican history, right here in Morant Bay. Picture it. The year is 1865, and the air in Morant Bay is thick with tension. The sugarcane plantations, once a symbol of prosperity, have become a hotbed of unrest. The people are tired, overworked, and underpaid, their voices drowned out by the crushing machinery of the cane mills. In the heart of this storm, a leader emerges, a man named Paul Bogle. He's a Baptist deacon, a respected figure in the community, and he's had enough. Bogle rallies the people, their shared grievances fueling a fire of rebellion that's about to ignite. The spark? A peaceful protest gone wrong. When the local magistrates respond with violence, the simmering tension explodes into a full-blown uprising. The historic courthouse, central to the town, is burned to the ground. The rebellion is fierce, it's fast, and it's unforgettable. But every uprising has its price. The authorities respond with brutal force, leading to significant casualties on both sides. It's a dark chapter in Morant Bay's history, one that leaves deep scars and a burning courthouse in its wake. Despite the heavy price, the rebellion isn't in vain. The outrage over the brutal crackdown leads to changes. Changes in the governance of Jamaica, changes in the rights of the people. The rebellion becomes a catalyst, a turning point that sets the stage for the Jamaica we know today. And so, the legacy of the Morant Bay Rebellion lives on, not just in the history books, but in the spirit of the town. It's a testament to the courage, resilience, and indomitable spirit of the people of Morant Bay. And that, folks, is why you don't mess with the people of Morant Bay. They might just start a revolution. From the ashes of rebellion rose a new Morant Bay, stronger, better, and, dare I say, more rebellious. After the tumultuous events of 1865, the town had no choice but to pick up the pieces and start anew. And so it did, with a resilience that is purely Jamaican. The historic courthouse, which had been the epicenter of the rebellion, was destroyed in the uprising, but the people of Morant Bay were not to be deterred. They rebuilt it, brick by brick, as a symbol of their indomitable spirit. This grand edifice, a testament to their resolve, stood tall in the heart of the town until 2007, when it was unfortunately razed by a fire. But once again, the town did not surrender to despair. A new courthouse was constructed and completed in 2014, a modern structure rising from the ashes of the old, embodying the town's unyielding spirit. But Morant Bay's rebirth was not confined to the courthouse alone. A fitting tribute was also paid to the brave Jamaican soldiers who laid down their lives in World War I. A memorial garden was established, a serene haven where one can remember and honor these valiant men. Here, amid the lush greenery and tranquil silence, the echoes of their bravery still resonate. And let's not forget the ruins of the Morant Bay Fort, a silent sentinel standing since 1758. Though weathered by time, it remains a powerful reminder of the town's rich past, a past that has shaped its present. So, if you're ever in Morant Bay, don't forget to pay your respects at the Memorial Garden. Who knows, you might just meet a ghost or two. And now, let's fast forward to the present day. Spoiler alert, there's no more rebellious sugarcane. Today's Morant Bay, the capital of the parish of St. Thomas, is a vibrant town with a population nearing 100,000. It's a place where history and modernity intertwine, creating a unique tapestry that tells the story of its people's resilience and spirit. The town's modern developments are numerous and notable. One of these is the new courthouse, which was completed in 2014. This state-of-the-art facility, rising from the ashes of its historic predecessor, is a testament to the town's ability to rebuild and progress. It's a symbol of justice and order, a far cry from the turbulent days of the Morant Bay Rebellion. But it's not all about buildings and infrastructures. The true heart of Morant Bay lies in its people, their achievements, and their contributions to the world. And one name that shines bright in this regard is Toni-Ann Singh. Born and raised in Morant Bay, Toni-Ann Singh is more than just a beauty queen. Crowned Miss World in 2019, she's a beacon of hope and inspiration, embodying the spirit of modern Morant Bay. Her victory on the global stage is a testament to the town's unyielding spirit, and a source of pride for all Jamaicans. Moreover, the town continues to honor its past while looking forward to the future. The Memorial Garden for Jamaican soldiers who lost their lives in World War I stands as a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by the town's ancestors. And let's not forget the ruins of the Morant Bay Fort, dating back to 1758. These historic remnants are a stark contrast to the bustling town that surrounds it, serving as a silent testament to the town's rich past. And that's Morant Bay for you. A town with a past as sweet and spicy as a Jamaican jerk chicken, and a future as bright as a Caribbean sunrise. Well, folks, we've come to the end of our journey. But before we say goodbye, let's do a quick recap. We started our adventure in Morant Bay, a charming little town that's as sweet as the sugarcane it was once known for. But don't let its sweetness fool you. This town has a fiery past, with the only major revolt in Jamaican history, the Morant Bay Rebellion, which, let's be honest, was less of a tea party and more of a no sugar in our tea, thank you very much kind of affair. Then we saw how Morant Bay rose from the ashes like a phoenix, rebuilding and transforming itself into the vibrant town it is today. A town that's not just about its past, but also its present, where the modern meets the historic, where Miss World 2019, Toni-Ann Singh was born, and where a cutting-edge courthouse stands proud, a testament to the town's resilience. So next time someone asks you about Morant Bay, you can say, "Oh, you mean the town with the rebellious sugarcane and the revolutionary spirit? Yeah, I know all about it." Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.